Hi, my name is Brian Schmitz. I represent the company ECInfinite Technology. We are a China-based electronic components and service provider. The electronics and technology industries are evolving at a faster pace than ever before. Let me show you how ECInfinite keeps you ahead of the curve and adds value to your business.
We call him Leo, Chinese name.
Team Infinite is made up of a unique and diverse group of individuals that come from all aspects of the electronics market, as well as the globe. Each member brings their skill set and their culture to Team Infinite. What that means for your business are three things. 1. The best prices on the highest quality components. 2. An engineering team that provides boundless services. And 3rd, a fresh and new perspective for problem solving. Now here's a rundown of the infinite advantages of working with ECInfinite. We are experts of the Chinese electronics market. ISO certified warehouse, vast search engine located on our website, global offices in China and America, BOM services, excess stock management. But let's not forget what our skilled engineers can do for you. We are equipped and experienced at PCB, PCBA manufacturing, IoT design, hardware software development. From concept to production, ECInfinite delivers. Discover the infinite ways that we can be of service to you and your bottom line by checking out our website at www.ECInfinite.com.